हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 8 का इंग्लिश का लेसन नंबर 4.3 द बीज के क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, मैच द प्रोफेशंस विद द फील्ड ऑफ वर्क। फर्स्ट, चीफ मिनिस्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मैजिस्ट्रेट लॉ, सोल्जर डिफेंस, ट्रेडर बिजनेस, बिल्डर कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्राइवर ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड टीचर education. Question 2. Living creatures like birds, animals, insects, etc. are often used in us as comparison because of some special characteristics they hold. Filling the gaps choosing words from the brackets to make appropriate comparison. So, हम सीधा आंसर देखने वाले हैं। As merry as lark, as slow as snail, as tall as giraffe, as busy as bee, as big as elephant, as quiet as mouse, as slippery as eel, and as sly as fox, as fast as deer, and as humble as worm. Honeybees live unorganized life like a human beings. Discuss what work the following honeybees do as per the poem. Write it down in your own words in your notebook. Answer. First, King Emperor bee supervise the building of the beehive. Magistrate bees do corrective work. Merchant bees go out to trade for nectar. And soldier bees loot nectar from flowers and protect the hive. Manson bees build the hive. Civilian bees make honey from nectar. Porter bees carry the nectar brought by the other bees. And judge bee delivers his sentence. Complete the following choosing the appropriate option. Human being can learn from honeybees. What they learn? How to lead an organized nation. The soldier bees carry home nectar looted from the flower. The emperor bee supervise the building of the beehive. The dash dash bees make honey from nectar. So answer will be civilian citizen. The drone is given a death sentence because he does not do any work. Third, complete the phrases using the words from the poem. First, Merry March. Second, Royal Tent. Third, Singing Manson. Four, Poor Porters. 5, Heavy Burdens. 6, Pale Executors. Question 3, find any two alliterative lines. Answer. Which village they with Merry March bring home? So here repetition of sound of the letter M, which means Merry March M. The civil citizens cleaning up the honey, repetition of sound is C for civil citizen. So C is repeated. Pick out the lines that contains an onomatopoetic word. Answer. Singing Manson buildings roofs of gold. The word singing indicates sound. Onomatopoetic word, it means the word which indicate the sound. So here singing word is indicate sound. C. Pick out the 3 lines that create an image in your mind of bees busy at work. Answer. Make a boot upon the summer's velvet birds, the singing Manson birds roofs of gold, the civil citizens kneading up the honey. Say the following words aloud and put the stress mark on the straight syllable. Creatures, burden, mechanic, executor, delivering, magistrate. Complete the following. The honeybees teach us art of organization and living in order. Roof of gold refer to the structure of the golden beehive. The death sentence is given to the drones. The beehive is being built by the Manson bees. Answer the following question. First, where does the emperor bee sit and what does he do? Answer. The emperor bee sits in a tent and supervises the building of the beehive. Second, analysis appreciation of the poem. Answer. Poem and poet is The Beehives by William Shakespeare. Theme, the organized, disciplined hives of the bees with the death penalty to those who do nothing. Tone, reflective and serious, show admiration of the organization of the bees, structure and stanza, no separate stanza lines of unequal length. Rhyme and rhyme scheme is there is no rhyme scheme, free verse. Language and imaginary. Language is Old English, vivid images created of the activities of the bees. Figure of speech is onomatopoeia, alliteration, and inversion. Okay, student, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. Then please like, comment, and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.